vlog na lang ako. So papunta kami sa Cambridge Police South Division. Kailangan pala ng clearance report para sa release ng cargo sa towing company.
Continue on Langs Drive for 1 kilometer.
I-ride ako ni Louie papuntang Police Division. Guys, ang Waterloo Regional Service Report. Ayan. Actual release date. So, ayan. I-release na nila yung ating car para makuha na ng towing. Yan. Kailangan minsang mag-follow up. So, nandito kami sa Waterloo Regional Police Service South Division. And now, we're heading to towing company.
Several days later.
Ayan guys, may tumawag sa atin, mag-walk through tayo sa car. Na-pick up na nila yung car, dumating na dun sa magpipix at mag-check kung gaano karami ang damage. Ayan. So my most awaiting moment ito guys, kasi gusto kong malaman kung repairable pa ang aking car. Syempre nakakalungkot naman kasi matagal ko na siyang binayaran. So I'm waiting for this time. So this is my car after the accident. So they already removed the one outside on here.
Oh, the plastic part?
No, on here, yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna change it all.
It's came out, right?
Yep. They're gonna change this whole piece. They'll do this way. That's gonna change this there.
Yeah. So this one is fixed already. So there's a impact of the damage.
Oh, this whole part's gonna get changed.
Okay.
This one here.
Gonna change all.
Yeah, if this breaks, then they'll change it too.
Okay. It was there, but this one is still good because I paid last time to fix it. Yeah.
The marker.
Yeah, it was there. Yeah. There's no other. Because I try to keep drive safe. Only one person hit me. Was there?
And the detailer will clean it, will vacuum everything for you.
Huh?
Our detailer's gonna clean everything nice for you.
Okay. I'm small. you can check drivers too.
What's that?
You can put drivers too.
Oh.
So it will.
Ah, too much.
No, I'm one, but two it will goes down.
Oh, it was too much.
One is small. If you're gonna two,
Oh, it's okay. So 122 940. Oops. Gas is at a quarter.